Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Sunday wherever you are around the world. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Sui coin, which has been absolutely killing it. Just yesterday, it was able to hit an all-time high, bringing you guys an update a little later than usual. But, let's get right into it because, of course, this update is an exciting one. So, looking across the board as we are, in Sunday, you are seeing quite a bit of red across the board. Just a few handful of coins that are still up right now, but majority of the market is seeing a little bit of a minor pullback because of the fact that Bitcoin has also seen a little bit of a minor pullback. But if we are focusing on Sui's price, it's down about 0.4% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're up 0.3% in Bitcoin comparative. Price is currently sitting at $2.23. A market cap is at $6.1 billion, guys. Yes, it has gone above $6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 1.3 billion. And a lot of excitement coming into Sui's ecosystem itself. A lot of protocols also hit an all-time high. As well as we're starting to see a meme coin season actually playing out for Sui. But with that said, this is where your due diligence and research comes into play. You want to be really understanding how meme coins work. 99.99% of these meme coins are going to go to zero, but of course, maybe I think we will see a few flying here and there due to this momentum that we're seeing, which we have been seeing, but I don't own any. So of course, that's where your due diligence research comes into play. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So on Sunday, if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, we're currently sitting at 58.01%, with the Bitcoin price, on the other hand, has seen a little bit of a minor pullback. As we can see, Bitcoin price is currently sitting at $62,600, but we did wick down to that 62,200 mark just a few hours ago. But you can see we are trying to break out of that key resistance, which I've been speaking about for the longest time now. The level that is a confirmation for myself around $64,000. That's where I turn bullish for the broader market. But we're having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of there, and that really shows you the significance of that $64,000 price point. But right now we're currently sitting at 62.6. Not bad. We'll take it the fact that we're back above most importantly the support. But as far as Sui is concerned, Sui has been going absolute madness. You can see Sui hit an all-time high of $2.30 just yesterday, and since then have seen a little bit of a minor pullback, but it's still sitting above the previous all-time high, which was back in March. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, after breaking the all-time high, Sui did go up an additional 7%, but on top of that, Bitcoin saw a little bit of a minor pullback, which of course has impacted the price of Sui. So Sui has seen a little bit of a retracement. But if you look at the price point, Sui went down to that support level of the previous all-time high, and we have seen a little bit of a bounce since then, which is of course really nice to see. Shows you the significance of that support. As I've stated, before, as we were retesting this key support resistance, I did say, we're going to see a little bit of a rejection at that key resistance, which we actually did see end up happening. We retested that key resistance and saw a drop down to the $1.73. Since then, it picked up traction, pushing it towards all-time highs. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, after that initial rejection at that all-time high, you have seen Sui go up 31.46% after that pullback down to that $1.74. So anyone that accumulated around that price point is up 31.46% in a matter of just a week and a half. So, as far as the momentum goes, guys, the momentum is still on its side. And as the ecosystem, hype continues, as more and more people flock towards the Sui ecosystem, I think this only, makes Sui, the native tokens price, go up even more, due to the fact that you need to obtain Sui most of the time in order to even, purchase some of these, Sui-based coins. And on top of that, what a lot of people don't understand is this is a layer one. And a lot of people in the community are starting to say, this is the best layer one. And again, those types of conversations, the moon boy conversation starts happening when you see the price action like the way we have seen. So obviously it has a long, way to go in order for it to, battle it out with the likes of Solana and stuff. But it is up 358%, which is absolutely insane since the month of August. Anyone that picked it up around that price point, give yourself a pat on the back, because this is, an insane price action. And even though Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a retracement, it's holding really, really good, showing that it has more power for itself to push up towards more, all-time highs. And again, obviously this month is playing out not as expected. We are seeing some coins absolutely exploding. Sui is one of them, but we're not seeing that October moment really playing out because of the fact that the election is coming up, and that has left a lot of people uncertain as to which way the election is really going to go. But if you have picked up Sui around this price point, and even if you are a long-term supporter, lock some profits in. I cannot stress this enough. Profit taking is always important. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this, and where do you see the price of Sui going. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for your support. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.